My name is Bill O'Brien. I'm with OBrien Law, and the focus of my practice is primarily personal injury.
I'm Kevin O'Brien, partner with my brother in our law firm, OBrien Law. I focus on estate planning, but also we are a general practice as well. We do other things besides that. I always tell people when I'm speaking like this that if we don't handle the kind of work that you need for a lawyer, that we will find the right person to do it for you. So, come to us first and we'll help you get to the right place if we can't do it. Bill became a partner in 2001 with us, but before that we started the law firm of Penny Botticello and O'Brien back in 1990. Unfortunately for us, those two guys are retiring at the end of 2018, and Bill and I are going to continue on, and so we're going to be moving the law firm from Penny Botticello and O'Brien to the new law firm, OBrien Law.
It's a dream that we always had. We wanted to practice together, and I get back to our father. I think he'd be very proud to have his sons in a practice together.
I have no intention of retiring in the near future. I don't have any plans whatsoever. I think that we're probably going to be together for another 5 or 10 years before I decide to move on. We are excited and enthused about this change and looking forward to just the two of us working together. So,
Absolutely.